interesting kind of vlog tonight that's a little bit different than what we usually do.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one.
I know, we got a cool gift. So a big thank you to Ed's sister and brother-in-law and our nephew.
Yeah.
They know we can't travel much right now, so they were super smart and brought international treats to us. So we have here today a Yum Box, which is a monthly subscription box of international treats that come from a different country every month.
Yeah, which is cool because I like to go to other countries, and so do you, so that works out.
So while we can't, the other countries come to us.
We also like snacks, so.
Ooh. So I don't know what treats are going to be in this box. I did open it to see who it was from and then, thank Ed's sister. So I know what country it's from. Ed doesn't.
I don't know anything about it.
And I don't know what the treats are. So number one, you open it because you don't know what country it's from yet.
Okay. It looks like we are going to Greece.
Ooh.
Which we've never been to Greece. So.
Oh, and there's like puzzles and things on the back. Oh, and it shows you all the snacks, so you can rank your favorite.
Oh, from best, second best, worst, and weirdest. So that'll be fun.
So we'll fill this card out as we're tasting everything and show you our kind of decisions at the end and our favorites.
Okay.
And there's some puzzles here too.
Oh.
Ooh, and an ancient Greek guessing game. We'll have to look at all this.
Okay.
But in the meantime, so you open the box. There is a note inside the box here that comes from Universal Yums, in addition to the personal note from the family. But it says, "Hurrah! After a tumultuous journey across the ocean, a brief stopover in New Jersey, and a wild adventure through the Postal Service, this box has finally reached its intended destination. You. This isn't just any box. This is a box from Universal Yums. Every month, Universal Yum sends a box of snack and candies from a different country. That's right, you get to try this month's featured country, but next month, we'll be somewhere else."
Cool.
Oh, wow. So we know that your sister did subscribe for a couple of months for us, so we have quite a few countries to try.
I'm excited.
Starting with Greece. I like we have a little tour book in here. Ooh, upcoming events in Greece, where to visit.
Language. Cool.
Ooh, how long it takes to get there. Oh, a whole bunch of trivia.
Are we going to Greece? Is this what you're telling me?
We can go to Greece. We have to plan our next trip after you're done with everything.
Oh, so there are...
Oh, and it has a description of each item in here in the book as well, so you can know what you're eating. All right.
This one is oregano chips? Oregano chips?
Oh, it's Toti's chips, oregano potato chips.
And interestingly, a lot of it is completely in Greek, but the very front is in English. So let's...
No, it's in both. It's both languages.
Oh, it is. Okay, so it is in Greek and in English, but only a little bit of English. Primarily, it is in Greek, which is cool. So then we have Greece. I will not attempt to pronounce these, but this one is mini breadsticks.
It's basil pesto breadsticks. I'm cheating. I have the book.
That helps. All right. This is a traditional Greek pastry.
So it's a syrupy phyllo dough pastry with almonds and walnuts.
So it's essentially...
It's like a baklava.
Yeah, it's basically baklava, but in like a little package.
Oh yeah, it is baklava in the package is the way they describe it.
That's cool. All right, so this one is milk chocolate with whole hazelnuts, hazelnut cream, and waffle. That sounds
Oh yeah, so it says
delicious.
It's a milk chocolate coated hazelnut topped wafer with cream filling.
I want this for myself. Before I even had it.
So something interesting as Ed pulls the next item, they do have all the allergy warnings if you need them on here. So this book is really helpful with what's in your Yum box.
Yeah. This one is wafer with milk chocolate and cocoa cream.
That is exactly the description here as well.
Yeah. Here is...
That one has too much Greek and not enough English for you?
No description. Here, I found it.
Oh.
So this one is grape must.
Yeah, that's what it says here too. A soft wheat cookie with grape must flavor.
Interesting.
We're going to try them
It
all.
sounds like it's a grape cookie.
Okay. So this is the Yum bag, which has a few full of fun and yums is what it says. And the things that are in there, look at this. It's got a pomegranate flavored jelly candy, which could be interesting, and Kokos Ouzo, which is an ouzo flavored hard candy.
That reminds me, oddly, of one of the best Greek places I've ever been to, which was in a small village in Germany. You know.
So
weird.
if you're ever traveling to Baling in Germany, we have a Greek restaurant recommendation.
They were great.
All right, let's figure out what we're going to eat first.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, what are you digging into first?
Let's start with the crisps.
Ooh, okay.
Or chips.
The oregano chips.
All right.
Oh, I got to get my board to make sure I keep track of everything.
That is a very strong oregano smell.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, it smells good.
That's good.
They almost taste like a pizza chip.
Yes. They are straight up oregano, and they're actually pretty good.
You like that one? Give me another one.
I like that one. It's a lot of oregano flavor, so yeah, I hope you like oregano. But I kind of like it. I feel
That's
like
a good one.
Yeah, it'd be fun. It'd be good with dip, but I like them actually. I don't know if I could eat a ton of them though, because it is a lot.
No, I couldn't even eat that bag myself in one sitting. It is a very rich
But
snack.
maybe that's
It's not
good.
a
Maybe
big bag either.
Maybe it stops you from eating so much because it's a strong flavor. It's nice though. Yeah.
I kind of feel like sticking with the same flavors. We have to go here.
Yeah. So open up the
Mini pesto breadsticks.
All right. I feel like pesto is a strong flavor.
Those are pesto.
There's a lot of basil.
You can see it dusted on there.
Okay, it is pretty green. I knew you'd like these, yeah.
I love pesto. That is a pesto breadstick. Do you like? No? Yes?
I do.
They're not even mini breadsticks. They're like little, they're almost oyster crackers.
Yeah,
They're
they're very crunchy, but
Oh, while I have this one out of the bag, I should probably eat another.
we have plenty of snacks.
I like those.
Yeah, these are definitely, I could see you really liking
eat that whole
these. Like,
bag.
I could see you seeking these out.
Yes.
Those are good, yeah.
What's up next? We'll just move right through all this.
So that's a grape flavored, and then everything else is sweeter. So I'm thinking,
The grape cookie.
okay. All right.
Grape cookie. Does it smell like grape?
It smells
Oh,
like.
it smells like a spiced cookie almost.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, it's almost like a gingerbread smell. And it almost looks like. Oh, and it's a soft baked cookie. Here, rip a piece.
All right. All right.
It smells like a sweet
It
gingerbread.
smells like it. I want to know if there's a taste of grape.
All right, let's find out. Dry. They're very dry.
First off, I actually really like the taste. Before we get the negative.
No, it is really good. I like the taste of it. It feels like it's soft and a moist cookie. What it actually is very crumbly and dry when you eat it, but it's very tasty.
You know what it has a texture of? For people who know, it's like a devil dog.
Yes.
Like, it is a devil dog where it's like dry. Like,
but still rich.
takes the moisture out of you, but.
So if you're from east of the Mississippi, congratulations, you know what a devil dog is. If you're from west of the Mississippi, we're sorry.
I like it. And you don't need a ton of it.
So while we're in pastries and desserts,
All right.
baklava.
Okay. They're the same flavor, right? Yeah.
Yep, so it's just two of the same.
You can't go wrong with baklava, I don't think.
Oh, that is cute. It's 2 little rolled baklava. Do we just eat this one
Let's
completely?
just eat one.
Oh, it's very gooey because it's baklava. Because I didn't bring utensils to the table. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
it's
perfect.
actually kind of scored in half. So
Look at that.
it's 4 little pieces. All right.
That smells very...
Oh, wow. That is almost like sweeter than sweet baklava.
Smells very sweet.
Just pop the whole thing. You're taking a bite. Can you bite it? Mm-hmm. I'm interested to hear your take on this one.
So my take...
And while you do that, I'm going to eat this last piece.
My take is it tastes a little too artificial.
Okay.
It tastes like corn syrup, kind of.
Yes. Feels sticky like it's honey, but it's not. You're right. It's some sort of syrup or sugary.
Yeah.
But
to
what's
keep
also
it
interesting,
very sweet.
it smells sweeter than it tastes. It doesn't have extreme sweetness when you actually bite into it.
Well, that's how baklava is too.
But this one
Baklava's
smelled like it would be way, way sweeter than normal baklava. I said that too. It actually tastes less sweet than traditional baklava.
It's not unpleasant.
No, it's good. It's a
but-
nice snack that it comes packaged, as opposed to like having to grab fresh baklava. But
like
I feel like you're supposed to grab it fresh anyway. This feels like it's wrong. Like you shouldn't do it.
Well, I bet I could see people liking it.
Like I could see putting this in like your lunchbox. If I don't dislike it, but I'm not
No.
sure what void it fills.
I feel like the 4 little pieces would be a lot because it is still a lot of sugary sensation.
So continuing right along with the sweets, you got into your zone right now of desserts and sweets.
I want to try the
Wafer with milk chocolate and
Yeah,
cocoa.
it's just a chocolate drizzled wafer.
So it is very nicely decorated and pretty in there, but ready?
All right. Yeah, it is just a wafer cookie. It's nice. It's not
unlike anything we have in the US. We have desserts like these or snacks and candy bars like these.
Yeah, my grandmother had a lot of like these. I feel like they had like the sugar-free wafers that they used to buy, and it had that kind of.
And it's just covered in chocolate. It's good. I like it.
Yeah.
So what order do the candies go? Oh, this is a jelly, and then this is an ouzo, which I feel like is at the very end though, because it's a sucking.
Ouzo
candy.
is really strong, yeah.
So do your pomegranate jelly. All right, so we'll open our jellies.
Okay.
Oh, they're like, if you know like the fruit gels that you can buy that are like the orange slices, they're just the sugar-covered fruit jellies.
Oh, they smell very sweet.
Oh wow, I'm just gonna pop the whole thing. It's probably easiest. Oh, that's good. I like the fruit jellies. That pomegranate one's really good.
Oh, so what I like is that it is powerfully sweet.
Yes.
But there is at least the sour that you would get out of like a tart out of a pomegranate. So
that's what I was gonna say. It's not just sugary sweet. It's actually pomegranate punch sweetness too. So you get the sweet and the sour of the pomegranate with the sugar. Oh, I could eat an entire jar of those.
I feel like one is good.
One
I
jar.
like
One
it.
jar. So anyone who wants to send us one jar of the frugally pomegranate candies.
You would lose all of your teeth. It's a lot of
Probably.
sugar. Yeah. But it's nice. But again, I don't think I'd eat more than one.
Oh, I would eat more than one for sure.
Yeah. No.
1 dozen. We have to eat the chocolate.
You have
next.
to.
I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to break this or what, but let's see.
I break it inside the thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. You want that piece, and then I'll break another piece for myself.
Yeah.
And then that last piece, because Ed loves hazelnuts, will be for him.
I do.
All right. Oh, so there's like a whole hazelnut in each of our bites
Oh,
here.
that's cool. So it's kind of like, it reminds me of an Almond Joy.
No. Almond Joy has nuts, mounds don't. Yeah, Almond Joy.
Yeah.
Marketing works. All right. Just, you got to go for the whole thing on this with the hazelnut, right?
I think so.
All right, let's do it.
It does have a whole hazelnut.
There's a whole hazelnut in
Yeah.
each of our bites, yeah. That's a nice dessert. I would eat these candy bars regularly. So again, anyone who wants to send me a package of these candy bars, please feel free.
So bad.
Shameless, shameless. That's good though. So I know we have Greek friends. Greek friends, I know who you are.
Yep.
I am very, very happy ending this yum box on some ouzo.
Yeah. It's definitely
That was
going to be...
pretty too.
It definitely will be the strongest taste. It is just a hard candy.
Oh yeah, wow.
And it is strong smelling.
Oh wow.
All right.
You can smell the licorice of it. The problem is I really like licorice. I don't know that I like it as much as you. He's a licorice monster over here. Like you could eat strong licorice any day of the week. But this, I almost want to chew it because it tastes like licorice and I want to eat it.
It's a hard snack. It's a hard candy.
Yeah. But I do want to chew it because it tastes like licorice.
I like that.
That was a nice way to end out all the flavors we had here on the table. I'm definitely happy with our adventure through Greece.
Yeah.
Just for reference, I was filling out my official Yum Awards card here as far as the best, the second best, the worst, and the weirdest. Every item on the table was the best. So we'll just leave it at that.
That's not how data works. That's not how data works.
It doesn't say that I can't mark them all the best. This was the best chips, that was the best baklava, the best candies.
Right.
You get the idea. But it definitely makes me really, really, really excited for next month's box, wherever country it might come from.
Yeah, that is a really cool idea. I'm curious, what was your favorite thing? Like, what would you go buy right now?
Ooh, that's a hard one. I think I would purchase... Okay, this is what will give you the clue of the differences between me and Ed, and you've seen it in any of our dining reviews. I'm going to buy more of either one of these. So either more of the pesto breadsticks or more of the oregano chips. So pesto breadsticks, oregano chips. I'm all about the savory items on the table here. Even that grape cookie maybe, because it's still savory over sweet.
I was going to say, I mean, I really like the hazelnut chocolate. It's delicious. You can't go wrong with that in my mind. But I don't know that it was the most unique thing I ate. I feel like I've had that kind of thing before.
It's true. It didn't feel like it only comes from, Greece or the Mediterranean. You could buy something like this here or other countries as well.
Yeah, it was good.
So are you picking the ouzo candy as your favorite?
That's a tough one. I do love everything about ouzo, so that, or black licorice in general. I think my most unique, which I also really did kind of enjoy, was the grape.
The grape cookie.
The grape cookie.
That was really good.
It is different flavors that I like anyway. I like that spiced cookie anyway, and like you said, it was a little bit like gingerbread. The grape adds just a little bit of sweetness. I don't know that I tasted it.
It didn't taste like grape, but it tasted like sweet. Yeah,
I think that was my pick for. I would open it up again and be like, oh, remember this time we were in Greece? I want that.
So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And now that we had all our desserts and snacks, it's time for us to eat dinner. And the book comes with a recipe. Ed, you making me Greek flatbread pizza?
I'm not doing that.
Well, if you want Ed to make me a Greek flatbread pizza, be sure to give this video a thumbs up.
It'd be nice. If you know someone else who will do it for us, then great.
Oh, if you know anyone who would like to make us a Greek flatbread pizza, please leave that in the comments down below. And also in the comments, let us know what looked the most interesting here to you and what country you're hoping we get next month. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we do a park video, a travel video, a Yum Box now.
Yeah. And take the link to the video and share.
So, about that Greek flatbread pizza.
No. I'm still not cooking.